Hi folks, happy Handpanuary. Today's theme is breathe, and I'm actually going to teach you the chord progression to a song of mine called Breathe, because I thought that would be relevant. If you want to learn the rest of the song and some different ways of playing it and how to sing and some exercises for the vocals, I do have a course called Playful Voice, and this song was written for that course actually, so you can find more about that there. But today we're just going to learn the chord progression. It's in 3/4. 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3. So that's going to be our count today. And we're learning 4 different chords here on the D Kurd. The first chord is F major. It looks like this. I'm going to play note 1, note 3, and note 6. Like this. There are 3 notes in this chord, and we're playing in 3, so we're just going to move up the chord like so. And we do that 4 times. The next chord is A minor, and that is these 3 notes. So we're starting with the same 2 notes again, but we're using our hands a little bit differently. So note 1 with the left hand, and then note 3 and note 5 with the right hand. 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3. And then we're starting on note 1 again, but this time with the right, so we have to change the way our hands work. And then the left is coming up here for note 4 and 6. And this makes our D minor chord. 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3. Then this left hand stays exactly where it is. We just move the right over to note 2. Let's play that B flat, and now we've got our B flat major chord. This feels like a lot of information. As usual, my notation for this is available through Patreon. Any paid tier can have access to this, even from the lowest tier up to the highest, whatever you feel like offering for this 30-day challenge, if you like, challenge, journey thing. So I'm just going to play through this a bunch of times. Feel free to play along with me. Feel free to follow the notation if you have it. Otherwise, you could pause this video, play along on your own, find some different chords. My only invitation for you today is to really focus on the breath and breathing. Here we go. 2 3 2 2 3 F 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 A minor 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 D minor 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 B flat 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 F 2 3 2 2 3 There's an F here that you can use. If you have an E or a C, you can use that for your A minor. You can use the ding for the D minor, and you can use the F again for that B flat major. Anyway, take your time with that. Enjoy that little chord progression. Thank you for playing along with me there. Don't forget to breathe. Yeah, I hope you enjoy.